Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Salesforce release video. Although it may not seem long ago since we were telling you about the spring release, it's time to look at the new features summer will bring us. Firstly, let's navigate to the Opportunities tab. We'll start by taking a look at the Kanban view, which can be accessed by clicking the icon on the right. Previously, the Kanban was a great visual tool showing users where records appeared by their stage or status field. Now it is improved by including any guidance for success and key fields that you see on the record itself. Inline editing allows your users to keep the record up to date without having to leave the Kanban screen. In addition to inline editing, confetti will also show in the Kanban screen if enabled, congratulating your users when their hard work has paid off. Let's stick with opportunities for a little longer. The icon that changes the screen from a table of data to Kanban now also includes split view. This may seem familiar as the split view has been available on the task object for some time. The benefit of this is that the list view and the record appear in one screen, removing the need of jumping in and out of screens. You're also able to switch between the different list views, and you can collapse the sidebar when you want to see the whole screen. Thirdly is a feature that you may already recognise if familiar with Salesforce Classic. Big deal alerts have been migrated into Lightning, and for those of you unfamiliar with it, a big deal alert notifies a user when a large valued opportunity is created. It is enabled in setup, and all you need to do is tell Salesforce what the trigger, probability, or amount threshold is in order for the alert to be fired. The admin then needs to define who the sender and recipients are, and what information the notification will contain. And of course, remember to tick the active checkbox. Now, let's talk about cases. Just like we've been able to do for some time with accounts and leads, Summer 20 gives us the opportunity to merge duplicate cases. Once merged cases have been enabled, you will find the button appear on Cases. You can select up to 3 cases to be merged into one master case. You can decide which will be the master and which values will copy across and stay. The duplicates will appear either in the merged cases related list, or when setting up you can decide for them to be soft deleted and moved to the recycling bin. Now, I want to show you Einstein Search. You will need to create a permission set and assign it to your users. Look out for a future in-depth video on this feature. For those of you using unlimited enterprise and performance editions of Salesforce, Einstein Search enables users to global search for records using natural language such as My Opportunities this month. The Einstein Search function transforms the language into a number of search filters, presenting you the matching records. Whilst it is currently only available on a number of objects, opportunities and cases, it means that users don't have to spend time trying to define search criteria when looking for an overview of records. So there you have it, an overview of our favourite new features from the Summer 20 release. Stay tuned for further videos about new functionalities introduced to make your Salesforce lives even better.